Philip, at EMO Horn Cutting Tools, you always announce new products, and this year's no different. How many have you got?
The EMO this year will show 20 news. That means we have new products and also product extensions. So this is what we show this year on the EMO show.
So what should we talk about? Should we start here with the new form boring system?
Yes, we collect 4 news what we will focus now. The first thing is the new form boring tool S117.
Just briefly, what type of machine would you use this? What type of materials do you have grades for, things like this?
This is a Indexable insert system. Here we can machine almost every material because this is based on our already existing insert S117. This is an insert what we have already since several years in our program, but now we took the decision that we use it for drilling.
And if you've got non-standard inserts, is this something you can have made?
I mean, this program is like this, that we have just tailor-made insert. This is for customers, so that means we make the insert according customer wishes.
So let's move on to the gear skiving. That looks an impressive tool.
Yes, this is an impressive tool. I mean, gear skiving is nothing new. We make it since 2 or 3 years. We had already some solid carbide tools, indexable tools like this, and now we started this year with indexable inserts.
So how big is the range?
I mean, we can go up to module 5. That means we can go up with the diameter of more than 300 millimeters. That means we are the target is to reach the big parts.
And gear skiving, the machine tool has to be very accurate, as does the cutting tool. So how do you ensure this is an accurate tool?
I mean, we have to consider that we need a really good machine, and also we need a really good tool. That means the accuracy of the tool must be really high.
And this is a tool most people know Horn for. You're calling this circular interpolation, but essentially it's a new grooving tool.
I mean, this is a new grooving tool called 304. The thing is that we go here in a smaller size, not like we see at the power skiving bigger. Here we are entering the smaller market. That means we have an indexable tool where we can enter holes with diameter 8.
So is that focused at any type of machine, maybe a sliding head, smaller machine tools?
I mean, this is for the smaller machines, and here we want to replace solid carbide tools.
And finally, the one on the end, that's not a product I've seen before from Horn.
Here our Super Mini tool. I mean, Horn is known for the Super Mini, and now we entered the market in boring tools. That means we can drill with the Super Mini tool. Here we have 2 different geometries, one with chip breaker and one universal geometry.
You've still got your unique teardrop design.
Yeah, it's based on our teardrop design. It's the same blank that we use for our turning tools.
Yeah, well, I must say the stand has been very busy. You've got lots of new innovation. Has it been a good show?
Yeah, it is a good show. I mean, yesterday was Monday, but it started really good. For us, it will be a good show.